Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal, back with one more stunning GD video, that is invention versus innovation, which is more important. So we have a two brilliant spokesperson between us. One side Mr. Chaitanya is here, another side Mr. Murli is here. They both will exchange their question, they will ask question to each other, they will express their opinion, and I request to our viewers also that if you think that we have done any mistake, then write that mistake in a comment section also, so that we can improve, because we are also a learner. And one more request, that love and affection we are getting from our viewers on each and every videos. So if you have any feedback, honest feedback, points, creative points or question and answer, then must write in a comment section. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
So directly going from this side, Mr. Chaitanya, please initiate.
Yes. So I'm going to favor this topic, like invention is more important than innovation. Let's first talk about what is an invention and what is an innovation. So when we are creating something new and designing something new which has not been existed before, that is an invention. And if we are like only modifying a thing which is already created, that is an innovation. My first point I would like to put here, that is invention is a foundation of every innovation.
Nice.
And without invention, nobody can create innovative things.
Absolutely.
And another thing is that people always appreciate, like people don't want to appreciate inventions, they just want to see the success, right?
That is a
And my second point is that innovation can be hold. We can put it as a hold, but invention we can't put it as a hold.
okay.
That's my points.
Okay, nice point mentioned by you. First point is of that you mentioned that invention is a foundation step, that is called the first step of the innovation. And second point is that is very nice, that we can hold the innovation but we can't hold the invention. Okay, I think so you should also speak on innovation.
My first point is innovation increase the value of invention, and I have a great example of Nokia. Nokia stopped innovating things, so that's why people going toward Android. And my second point is we have to improve ourselves according to Shastra. That is Anvikshiki. Anvikshiki is what we have to improve ourselves. Something is invented, we have to innovate something new. It's improve and it's add value in our life.
Okay, so he mentioned the point that is of upgradation. Okay, innovative thing, even though people want innovative things, we all
Yes.
we have seen everywhere. So okay, now I am asking question to both of you. One thing, that Mr. Chaitanya, how can you say that invention is more important, because people prefer more innovative things?
Yes. So as I already mentioned in my point, that invention is a foundation of every innovation. And innovation is just a demand of a people, but invention was the need of a time.
Okay, but somewhere if the innovative things provide a good output, but we don't know invention can't provide the good output because there is no aim. But innovative things, that why the companies and entrepreneurs, you are also from the IT background, you know why the IT fields companies are implementing innovative things, because they know that innovation is more important than invention. What do you think?
No, sir. You said that the inventors, they don't have any aims. They have aims to do something differently in the country. They want to do something special for the kind of a people, for the country. That's why they are trying multiple things to invent something new. But if they fail, it doesn't mean they didn't try. They tried, but people don't want to give the appreciation to them.
Okay, nice. Yeah, you mentioned a very good point, that is the invention is a need of the time and innovation is a demand of time. Okay, one of the best example, if you want to play cricket, you need a ground, but you don't need a stadium.
Yeah.
How will you justify that it is an invention?
We can practice in ground, but we can add value in our life by a stadium, and we can earn by a stadium.
Okay, just one thing, that is Thomas Alva Edison invented bulb. Okay, now by innovative things we are seeing the LEDs or CFL and tube lights and many more things.
Yes.
But invention is the foundation step. That is a building block of any innovation. Invention is that. So how will you justify it?
But people prefer innovative things. Now we are just want only LED bulbs for low consumption of electricity. That's why innovative things is the future of.
Okay. One more thing. That is Thomas Alva Edison. I have mentioned the example. Don't you think that thousands times he have done the practice or try for that? So each and every time he put the innovative way to get the success to make the bulb. So what do you think? Innovation is also the part of the invention.
Okay, you raised a very good question, and here I would like to say that before invention of a bulb by the Thomas Edison, that time before Thomas Edison, already the 20 scientists who invented the luminous thing which can emit the light on heating. So they created the luminous thing, but they didn't create to up to date level which Thomas created. That's why the Thomas got the fame and he got the appreciation from the world that he created that thing.
Okay, nice. I think so it's right time to conclude this topic. You gave the very beautiful answers of my question and your points are very good. If I conclude this topic, guys, yes, the very great line which was mentioned by you, that is invention is the need of the time and innovation is the demand of the time. Where at the time when the invention was going on, at the time we need, just like a car. At the time people never demanded for the Tesla.
Yes.
Absolutely. So there was a need, but innovative things increase the values. Okay, invention is just type of the raw material. Okay, but innovative things, innovative idea will increase its value. Okay, so it was a nice discussion, healthy discussion, nice questions, nice points came from both the side. I request to our viewers, guys, if you have any question from their stuff, if you have any suggestion, feedback, then must write in a comment section and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys.